Looking for the best Dyson vacuum in 2025? We've tested and reviewed the top 3 models to help you choose the perfect one for your home. Whether you need powerful suction, cordless convenience, or the latest smart features, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for a detailed comparison of performance, battery life, and value. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert reviews. Number 3. The Dyson V8 Plus cordless vacuum is a game changer for those looking for powerful, hassle-free cleaning. Designed for homes with pets, it features strong suction, a lightweight design, and an advanced HEPA filtration system that traps 99.99% of particles, ensuring cleaner air. With up to 40 minutes of fade-free power, it's perfect for quick cleanups and deep cleans alike. The motor bar cleaner head efficiently removes pet hair and dirt from all floor types, while the hair screw tool ensures that long hair doesn't get tangled. The vacuum's ability to convert into a handheld unit makes it ideal for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and even cars. The charging dock and included accessories allow for easy storage and accessibility. Users rave about its powerful suction, noting how it effortlessly picks up dust, hair, pet fur, and even litter debris. One reviewer mentioned how, within minutes, it made a noticeable difference in their home. Another praised its durability and reliability, saying it outperformed cheaper vacuums that often lose suction over time. With no bags, no cords, and easy maintenance, the Dyson V8 Plus is a must-have for pet owners and busy households. If you want efficient, hassle-free cleaning with Dyson's trusted quality, this vacuum is worth every penny. Number 2. The Dyson V11 Origin cordless vacuum is an exceptionally powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed for whole home deep cleaning. With 60% more suction power than previous models and up to 60 minutes of runtime, it's a must-have for pet owners and busy households. Its motor bar cleaner head tackles pet hair, dirt, and dust on all floor types, while the hair screw tool ensures that long hair doesn't tangle. The LCD screen provides real-time updates on power mode, battery life, and maintenance alerts, making it easy to track. The vacuum also converts into a handheld unit, perfect for cleaning stairs, furniture, and even cars. Users love its strong suction and ease of use. One reviewer was amazed at how effortlessly it removed embedded pet hair from carpets and furniture, eliminating the need for extra covers. Another user noted that while the tube length might not be ideal for all users, a shorter attachment option could improve accessibility. Despite concerns about battery life, many find that it lasts long enough for daily cleaning needs. With advanced whole machine filtration, lightweight design, and a 2-year warranty, the Dyson V11 is an investment in superior home cleaning. If you want power, convenience, and deep cleaning capabilities, this vacuum is worth every penny. Number 1. The Dyson V15 Detect cordless vacuum cleaner is an exceptionally powerful and intelligent cleaning machine that takes home cleaning to the next level. With 100% more power and up to 60 minutes of runtime, it ensures deep cleaning on all floor types. One of its standout features is the fluffy optic cleaner head, which reveals hidden dust, ensuring that no dirt goes unnoticed. The digital motor bar cleaner head tackles long hair and pet hair with ease, while the hair screw tool is perfect for pet beds, stairs, and upholstery. The LCD screen provides real-time updates on power mode, maintenance alerts, and even the amount of dust collected, making it a truly smart vacuum. Users love its cordless convenience, lightweight design, and incredible suction power. One reviewer was shocked at how much dust and dirt it pulled from carpets, while another praised its versatility for stairs and car interiors. The battery lasts up to an hour, which is plenty for most homes. Though it's on the pricier side, the Dyson V15's performance, advanced technology, and durability make it worth every penny. If you want the best vacuum Dyson has to offer, this is the ultimate investment for a cleaner, healthier home. That wraps up our review of the top 3 best Dyson vacuums of 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and buying guides. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.